Hi students, this is your teacher Ayang Song. Today I'll be taking up the topic communicable diseases for class 5. What we will learn about in this chapter: microorganisms and pathogens, communicable and non-communicable diseases, spread of communicable diseases, and prevention of communicable diseases. Microorganisms. Microorganisms or microbes are very tiny organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye. They can only be seen with a microscope. They live almost everywhere in water, food, and air. Many also live within human bodies. Some of the types of microorganisms are bacteria, virus, yeast, and fungi. These are the 4 types of microorganisms. Communicable diseases. Diseases that spread from one person to another are called as communicable diseases. So communicable diseases are caused by germs and may spread through air, infected food and water, direct contact, cuts in the skin, or insect bites. So those organisms that causes diseases, they are called as pathogens. Non-communicable diseases. Diseases that do not spread from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. Some of the examples of non-communicable diseases are cancer, diabetes, heart diseases and stroke, chronic lung diseases, and other non-communicable diseases. Now, when a person is physically inactive, or when a person indulges in smoking, or when a person practices very unhealthy diet, he or she is sure to get one of these diseases mentioned above. Prevention of communicable diseases. Let us see how we should prevent the spread of communicable diseases. The first, keeping our house clean and free from germs. Number 2, we should have a well ventilated house where sunlight and fresh air is available. Toilets should be kept clean and disinfected regularly. Getting vaccinated against diseases like polio, typhoid, measles, and jaundice is very important. We should always drink filtered water for cooking and also for drinking. If filtered water is not available, then we should always boil water and drink. Using mosquito repellents and mosquito nets to keep mosquitoes away. Let us see how to stop the spread of communicable diseases. Hygiene. The first point is we should be very hygienic, like washing our hands before and after eating food and after using the toilet, using hand sanitizers to disinfect our hands, and keeping a handkerchief over our nose or mouth when we sneeze or cough. Killing the vectors. In some cases, we can kill the vectors as well, like the organisms that transport the pathogens, such as mosquitoes, which causes malaria. The easiest way to do this is by spreading insecticides. The best way to stop a pathogen is to vaccinate everybody, because if the people can't catch a disease, it can't pass it on to other person. The last point, if all of these methods fails through and someone does not catches a disease, then what we can do is to isolate or quarantine that person. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you.